Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to cancel Meta verified Instagram. Meta subscriptions allows users to enjoy benefits like added protection from impersonators, access to real people for customer support, and more visibility on the platform. While these perks may not be a big deal for the average person, the benefits can help protect people in more ways than one. With time, you may change your career to one that doesn't need you to be a public figure or visible online. You might then choose to opt out of subscription like Meta Verified that no longer add value to your life or you simply can't afford anymore. Now, on your mobile phone, there are two ways to stop subscribing to Meta Verified on Instagram. Bear in mind that if you signed up with Meta Verification through the web version, it may not be possible to make changes to your account. On your mobile phone, open the Instagram app. Then, on your Instagram home screen, tap your profile photo in the lower right corner of the screen. On your Instagram profile page, tap the hamburger icon or three horizontal lines in the upper right corner of the screen. Then select Accounts. Scroll down and tap Meta Verified. Under your subscription, tap Manage Subscription. In the Manage Subscription page, tap Unsubscribe in the lower portion of the screen. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.